Hey, welcome to my special. This week, we're gonna make pizza. We're not going to make the Italian ones, we're not going to make the American ones, but the Korean flavor pizza. Okay, let's make the pizza dough first. We have 175 gram warm water, 2 gram of yeast. You mix it well. We have 250 gram of all-purpose flour. Start to mix it. Then we add 2 grams of salt, 13 grams of olive oil. This dough is going to be very sticky, so you better to use a fork or a rubber spatula, but I have the best tool in the world, which is chopsticks, of course. Okay, you mix it, then it will be almost like a dough there. You need the dough few seconds. Don't try to fight with the dough. You will get your hand more and more sticky. Be friend with the dough. Cover it with a plastic and let it rest for about 20 minutes. It will turn so much better to work with later. After 20 minutes, take the dough out. Put some flour on the working surface. Knead the dough for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then put the dough back and put the plastic on. The dough needs to rest it for minimum 14 hours in the refrigerator. Let's make some tomato sauce for the pizza. In case that you want some other toppings on the pizza, you can just simply change the toppings that you like. 1 can of crushed tomato, 30 grams of onion, 10 grams of garlic, a little bit of salt, not too much. Let's prepare the toppings. We have bacon and kimchi. I cut the bacon in the middle so it will not become too big piece on the pizza. I have made 2 versions of kimchi pizza just for fun. So first of all, I need to prepare the ingredients for the first version of kimchi pizza. I cook up the tomato sauce. In the same time, I pre-fry the bacon and the kimchi. The first version of kimchi pizza, I have used the dough directly out of the bowl. I haven't kneaded the dough. I stretch the dough as good as I can, but it turns do not seem good though. I put some tomato sauce, kimchi paste, pre-cooked bacon and kimchi, and of course a lot of cheese. I have some mixed pepper on it, just optional if you like to. If you don't have pizza stone at home, then heat your oven tray upside down with the highest degree that your oven have. I baked the first one 10 minutes. So let's check the result. Why the cheese is not stretching long?
Pizza cheese is not real cheese.
It tastes very, very good. The second one, I used the dough, has been kneaded and rested half an hour. You can see the dough has much better shape, this one. This one, we don't use tomato sauce, so we put kimchi paste, raw bacon and kimchi on it, and some unstretched, not real cheese thing on it. We bake it in 8 minutes. Turn your pizza 1 time after 5 minutes and then bake it 3 minutes more. This one tastes so good. The bacon and kimchi is just so good combination. The pizza dough soaks so much juice from the kimchi and the fat from the bacon. And the kimchi paste just make this pizza to another level. The spicy level. This one tastes so good. You need to try this one. You will love it. But you need to love spicy food first. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. I don't understand. Swedish cheese company, why are you doing this? You make so many people unhappy because you put pizza cheese on the bag and then that is not generally a cheese? Are you serious? Do you know how much you make so many people unhappy? Especially wife, because happy wife, happy life. Yeah, think about it.